I'm Camille.
And I'm Stephanie.
And we're from SixSistersStuff.com. Today we're going to be sharing one of our most popular recipes on the blog, and it's also in our cookbook. It's our black bean taco soup. And this kind of happened by accident. I needed dinner really fast. And so I was just throwing stuff in the pots, whatever I had in my pantry, and it worked out, which doesn't happen a lot. So this is how I made it. It's just 1 pound of ground beef and browned with 1 onion. You could also do ground turkey. If you want to do a vegetarian style, just don't use the meat and just add another can of beans, or you could do a pinto bean, something else. So anyways, you can brown your meat in the 1 pot. It's a 1-pot meal, super easy. Once it's all browned and the onion is soft, then you just start dumping in cans. It's literally that simple. So because it's a black bean soup, obviously, can of black beans, you want to make sure these are rinsed and dried. Yes. So dump that in. And then the rest you don't even have to drain. We have 2 cans of diced tomatoes, and just keep them with all their yummy juices in there. And then a can of corn, and once again, don't even worry about draining it. So thanks for stirring that.
You're welcome.
Getting that all done. I love green chilies. I love them. You can add them if you want, but if you don't want the heat, or if your kids maybe don't like the heat as much, don't worry about adding them. But they do add a really yummy taste, I think. And then a can of tomato sauce, just a little can. Mix it all in, and the thing that makes it taco is taco seasoning. Now, a lot of people don't like to use the taco seasoning packets because of what's in there. We have a delicious homemade taco seasoning that you can find on our other site that we started, myrecipemagic.com. Just type in the search homemade taco seasoning and you'll find that there. Okay, so mix that all together. You'll simmer it on the stovetop for about 20 minutes, or if you know you're gonna be gone all day, throw this in your crock pot, put it on low for a couple hours, and you'll be good to go. So once it's all done cooking, 20 minutes later, you can dish it up in your pot, or in your bowl from your pot. My family loves to put tortilla chips with it, and then of course cheese on top.
Always.
Mm-hmm. And then throw a couple chips in there, and dinner is done. So we'll slide this over so you can see. And there you go.
So there it is, your easy black bean taco soup. You can find great recipes like this that are quick and simple on our blog, SixSistersStuff.com, and also on our cookbook, Six Sisters Stuff.
Have a good day.